Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. In this video we are going to look at how I was able to catch this trade, and this trade. So without wasting much time, let's dive straight into the video. So first of all, whenever I come to the chart or I entered a market, there are three things I always look at before I can take a trade. So the first one has to do with the type of markets, that is the market trend. Either a bullish market, bearish market, or a ranging market. Then the next thing has to do with the key levels, that is either the market is at the support level or resistance level. That's key level, like either support or resistance. And then the final thing has to do with my Fibonacci tool, my Fibonacci level. So Fib level, I will show you how I use the Fib level to take a trade. So these are the three things I always look out before I take a trade. So now let's dive deep into this, and then we will see how I was able to catch the trade. Alright, so you can copy this if you want to also follow along. So these are the three things: the market trend, that is either a bullish, bearish, or a ranging market. Then we look at the key levels, that is either support or resistance level, and then the Fib level. So now this trade, I first look at the market trend. So I zoom out, I can go to the daily time frame. Mostly I would like to do that by going to the daily time frame. So looking at the daily time frame, you can see that the charts or the market is in a bearish trend. So all what I will be looking for is to catch a sell in this market, even though there are instances where I will be looking for a pullback buys, but mostly my concern has to do with the selling opportunity. So now that is the daily time frame. Now I will switch to the 4-hour time frame, where mostly I take my entries at the 4-hour time frame. So coming to the 4-hour time frame, we can also see that the market is still in a bearish trend. The market is still on a bearish trend. So all what I will be looking at is for a selling opportunity. So now I came to this market and met it playing around this level. Let me show you. I met the market playing around this level. Let me show you where I made the market playing around this level. That was on the 7th of December 2023. I made the market playing around this level, so I looked at the level and marked it as my key resistance level, because I'll be looking for a selling opportunity. Why did I mark it as a key resistance level? Unlike other people who look at resistance as any turning points that has occurred 2 or more times, I always look at my resistance level as any turning point in the market. So in this case, this green horizontal line that I've drew was my resistance level. So at this level, I will be looking for opportunity to sell this market by looking at the candlestick play out around that level. So now I waited for this candle to close. That is the bullish candle, the blue bullish candle. Let me remove this rest reward for you to see. Here I'll also remove this one for you, for us to have a clean explanation. So here I waited for this bullish candle to close. That is a 4-hour candle. So now once it closed, it closed around that resistance level, but this was not enough for me to enter the market. So now I waited for another 4-hour candle to open and close. So here it opens at the resistance level, or the near resistance level, and then it closes around this level. When it closes around this level, and at this level I then had my confirmation. Why? Because this candle serves as a bearish engulfing candle. This is a bearish engulfing candle. If you don't know much about candlesticks, you can stick to this channel. I will be bringing videos by explaining the basic candlesticks patterns. So this candle, these two candles, we call them bearish engulfing candles. It's a double candlestick confirmation pattern. Why are we calling it a bearish engulfing candle? See, the first candle is a bullish candle, then this second candle came and engulfed the bullish. So because it's placed at the recent resistance, we now call it a bearish engulfing candle. Why? Because when you look at that candle, the bearish candle, this one, the black candle, it is almost 2 or 3 times this bullish candle. So that is why we call it a bearish engulfing candle. And a bearish engulfing candle is one of the signs for a selling market. So most at times when you see a bearish engulfing candle playing around a recent resistance, then you should be expecting a sell in that market. So here, when I saw this bearish engulfing candle, I then took my trade after the closure of that candle. Then I took my risk to reward, bring it here, and then I set my SL to be above the recent resistance. This is very important. You must set your SL above the recent resistance, because when the market reverses, it can come to that resistance level, and if you set your SL below the recent resistance or at the same level as your the recent resistance, then your trade might hit SL and take you out before it reverses back into your direction. So in this case, I set my SL above the recent resistance, making it, don't bother about the SL level. In this case, we are risking like around 76 pips, and then my take profit will be around this key psychological level. I will talk about these psychological levels in my next video. So as you can see, these are key psychological level. And also I set my SL by zooming out to see the recent supports on this market. So as you can see, this was the recent support on this market. And that was why I set my TP around that level. And then when the market plays, it came exactly and even goes above my take profit. By then I was able to get over 300 pips on these markets. So this was the first trade I took for last week. And then after playing out, after this one has played out, now I was looking for a pullback. Opportunity, because as I told you, this market is on a downtrend or a bearish trend. So all what I do is to look for a selling opportunity. But after getting this trade, I was now looking to buy the pullback or the retracement. So now what I did was I waited for this market to play, it played and came to this level. So when it came to this level, now I was seeing some pattern here. That was why I marked this small rectangular tool. I used my small rectangular tool and marked it. Why am I seeing that play out or that pattern? I switched to the 1 hour time frame and I was able to see some W play out, or the double button play out. So as you can see, the first one was here, then a pullback here forming double bottom, then now it came here. So when it came here, now it has broken the neckline. Let me change the color into black or into green so that you will see it well. And now I will increase the, or let me make the line, no, let me leave it like this, but I will have to increase it. Okay, I hope you can see it. So this is the W pattern. Let me use this one for you to see. So this. So now that it has broken the neckline, so I will look for an opportunity to buy this market. So that was why I bought also. Let me go back to my 4 hour time frame, and then you will see where I bought back. Let me delete these ones. So now after the neckline was broken, it broke with this candle. The neckline broke with this candle, this bearish candle. Let me show you the candle. This one, it broke to this candle with this candle. So now I was waiting for a retest, because mostly when a double top is formed, you wait for the neckline to be broken and then a retest. So once it broke the neckline, I was waiting for a retest. So when it came to this place, I now took my buy. This is a short buy, please. You should note that this is short buy. So I took my buy from here and then expected it to go to the recent resistance or to come to this level. So now I set my SL also below this psychological level, and now when I turn it into 4 hour chart, you will see it exactly as it was supposed to be. So this was where I took the entry, and now I took my profit around this level, because I don't expect it to reach this place, because this is a downtrend market and every opportunity that I'm looking on this market should be a selling opportunity. So this was how I had my second entry, and the third entry was on the 13th of December 2023. This also came using my psychological level and also the recent resistance level. So as you can see from here, the market was selling. It reaches here, then retraces back to this place. So here it retraces till it reaches this area. That was the bullish area. So now I was waiting for a candle confirmation, because the candle closes on this bullish candle. So now, just like the one we took earlier, I was now waiting for a confirmation around this here, or the market can also move and come to this level before the confirmation comes in. So now when I waited for the next 4 hour candle to close. So the next 4 hour candle also closed just like the first trade we took, just like this one. The next 4 hour candle also closes with the bearish engulfing candle, and as I told you, a bearish engulfing candle is mostly a sign for a selling opportunity. So now I took my trade also just after the closure of this candle. So I took the trade from here and now set my SL above that level, that psychological level. I will talk about it in my subsequent video. So now I will expect it to come to this level, or this level, but in most cases I take it to this level. So that is the recent support level. so the market can move to this level before it turns for a retracement. So this was how I was able to carry this trade. And more to the point, this huge Marabuzu candle came in as a result of the news that was released. There was a news released, I can't tell whether it's CPI or so. Yeah, it's like CPI. And when the news was released, the dollar was weak, so it has to be sold to this level before this consolidation started. So this is how I was able to catch these trades. And if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe, because I will be bringing more of these videos explaining the basic things that you need to do in order to catch simple trades. So as you can see, in this trade we only looked at the key resistance level, and then we also look at the candlestick confirmation. I will bring in more videos on candlestick confirmation and some of the basics things that you need to know before you take a trade. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also turn on the notification bell in order not to miss any further video update from this channel.